Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes and just explain the lesson for today and tomorrow. So, you're going to be using your iPad. You're going to be going onto a specific YouTube channel. The channel is Reactions, it's the American Chemical Association. There are literally hundreds of videos. Some are as recent as a few days ago, and some go back years. You need to be you need to choose four. Okay. They are all typically somewhere in the neighborhood of 7 minutes up to maybe 12 or 15 minutes. Do not choose it based on how long the video is. Choose it on if it catches your attention. The title of the video catches your attention. Actually, you're all going to be doing the same one to start with, and it's Why is Pizza So Good? Okay, so you'll view that video. Everybody will do that video. Everybody will, as you can see on the summary sheet that you're going to get, there is a small spot for a couple vocabulary questions and another spot for a summary of the main ideas from the video. But then you'll pick three on your own. The idea is to do two of them today, do two of them tomorrow. Okay, but again, please look at the titles. If you start watching one and it seems boring, then pick a different one. But um, again, is DNA the future of data storage? Wine and food pairings, is it all nonsense? How Roundup kills weeds and how weeds are fighting back. Space trash, what happens to all the junk in space? Grating maple syrup. I mean, literally, you should be able to find something that catches your attention. There are articles about engines and diesel fuel and chemistry. I mean, it's all chemistry. Chemistry is the central science and it relates back to everything. So please take your time, get something out of it. There are a lot of cool food related ones. We made Pop Rocks at home with science. Pop Rocks were candies I know when I was a kid that would kind of fizzle in your mouth. So there are just lots of choices. This one says better pizza through chemistry. That one's different than Why is Pizza So Good, which is the one you have to watch. So the sheet you're getting, it is worth 100 points. The assignment is 100 points. It is 25 points per video. 4 videos, 25 points each. That's 100 points. You have 2 days. Okay. Again, you can see right here, there's a small section for some vocabulary, and then there's a section for summary. And it's basically the same format for each video. There is a warning right here, so please be mindful, because this web page, this YouTube channel, is produced by the American Chemical Association. So there are a lot of different topics that they cover. If something seems like it's some content that would bother you for whatever reason, then obviously don't view that video, okay? Because maybe whatever your individual belief is or your individual perspective on things in life, you might not feel that a video is appropriate. Maybe there's some content they're covering that's inappropriate. I know there are some videos that relate to medications and substance use and substance abuse and the way our brains function. So some of you, that might be something you're interested in, and some of you might feel that that's not something you're interested in, or you might not even feel it's appropriate. So obviously, don't view it. One thing I want to point out is I'm going to be curious, besides you filling this out, when I return on Wednesday, chances are I'm going to ask some of you to share out and explain what you chose, why you chose it, what did you learn. I would like to discuss some of them. I'm curious to see if a lot of you will choose similar videos. And again, hopefully that's not just because it was the shortest one that was there or it seemed like it was the easiest, okay? Don't just try to find the shortest one or what you might think is the easiest one, okay? Challenge yourself. You get out of things in life what you put into things in life. So do it with the purpose, not just because it's worth points, not because it's for a grade, but because you're learning something and hopefully there's some carryover throughout life. Okay, again, because there's so many to scroll through, literally hundreds of videos. I won't believe you if you say there's nothing you found interesting. There's got to be something out of all of those choices that catches your attention. And again, 4 of them, okay? 4 of them. So I think that does it. So I will see you on Wednesday. We will talk about the videos we chose. We'll see what kind of similarities there were between classes. And again, Learn something. See you guys 2 days. Peace out.